That's new.
I'm getting this one because it's $27. Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just sitting here waiting for my sister to come and pick me up. We're gonna go out to Villawood, I think, and then just to do some drop off Falavilavi stuff, and then we're gonna go to Blackett first. So that's what we're going to do for today, just to get this over and done with. Falavilavis, eh? What do you guys think of Falavilavis? I think Falavilavis should be give what you can, you know. Give what you can affordably, you know. I don't think anyone should be forced to give what they can't afford. However, I still think that this is like contradicting myself. However, it's like we still kind of have to chip in, you know, for your family's behalf. And then, you know how it is. They look at your family like, that family didn't give this and that. But, hey, if you got somehow, be all right with it. Okay? Because not everyone got a money tree. Not that anyone has a money tree. I love to see who has a money tree. Come with us to Granville, guys. They're having the seafood opening up here soon. So that's good, eh? Hello guys, thanks for joining me. Oh, and little gallery. So I saw on Cause I Can's channel this place, and I was watching it, and I was, you know, talking out loud like, oh, I wouldn't mind to go and, you know, try the food there. And then my daughter goes, oh, I used to work there, I know where that place is. And I go, do you? Oh, can you take me there? And here we are. So I'll come to try it out because I saw it on Cause I Can's channel Well guys, go and check him out because I can and watch where he goes. He likes to go around and show places to eat. So in case you live in the area and you don't know certain food places, Cos can show you. Okay, so I ordered some food and it's gonna come to our table soon and then we're gonna enjoy it. Don't even know what I got. Oh, okay, I got the mixed plate. Okay, and then I got the chicken. And then I got there was this crunchy chip bowl thing, I don't know what it is. It's cold. Okay, I don't know. I'll just show you when it gets here. Traditional pizza pasta. Italian place is opening up soon. It's got a lot of varieties. And then I think there's an Asian food down there just after the opening of seafood. Poster. So we got 2 platters plus the crunchy chippy. Gotta do my prayer. Okay guys, prayer's done. Now it's time to eat. So we got the shish kebabs and the nice sauces that come with it. Chicken. I asked for eggplant because I love fried eggplant. And then it comes with the fish side bread. So that's to wipe up all the sauce, whatever you want. Oh, 2 even. Oh, don't open that one. Hey, it's yours. Yeah, because we can have one each and save the other one for take home. Yay! You can have it with hot chips. I didn't even see it. Anyway guys, I'm putting 2 sauces. I don't know what they are. Must be hummus and whatever. But look at it, nice tabbouleh. And some tabbouleh. And I'll have a bit of meat, a bit of chicken, a bit of mint scuffed up, and then I rolled it up like a cigar. Take a bite, guys. So fresh. Nice and fresh, baby. Eggplant. Eat with the hands, guys. This is good. So good, girl.
Chicken strip is what drive
More. Thank you. The food here is so good, guys. Thank you, Cos, for bringing us here, and your friend that brought us here as well. Take care. Go and subscribe to Cos and follow his channel. Thank you, Cos. The food is delicious. No kidding. The chicken is moist. That's freshly made, and it's so yummy. They'll be opening up the seafood section and the Italian section soon. So if you're around Granville, come over here at this hourly pizza. Now we're going to our sweets. That's where now we're going to our sweetie because that's where Cos went to. So come on, guys, let's go and have a look. Ah, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, yum. Oh, look at that, guys. So good. So pretty. Yummy. So we got some of these goodies, okay? And I hope us to try some of these. The lady gave it for free. Let's try our yummy goodies. I'm looking forward to taking that home and having it with sour tea. You know, tea with no sugar. Oh, stuck together, eh? Yeah, cheers. They're very good at making these.
Don't know what this is.
No. I know it can be sweet, but you have it with sour tea. Yeah. So good. I'm going for sour tea, but we already had a drink. Man, it's so good at it.
Val says she wants some.
Valerie, you want some, Valerie? No. Sorry, baby. Don't tease my baby. Hey, Valerie. You want some? Very good. Like I got honey, you know. Well, how much of your honey? Try all that. What are these called? Cannoli guys with, I think, a caramel filling and chocolate underneath, the white chocolate. Take a bite, guys. I think I'm gonna do, but yummy. Lovely. In the middle here, they have this thing. Thinking it was hand sanitizer, I put some in the middle of my palm, and I started, you know how you do when you got hand sanitizer. All of a sudden, it was like all sticky, and then I licked it. It was like some sort of syrup or honey. Yeah, it wasn't hand sanitizer, guys. So don't be like me.